What's up everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be playing Feather Family, one of my favorite games on Roblox. Because, well, it's bird related. If y'all can guess my favorite kind of bird in the comments below between a cardinal, finch, and a robin, I will give the three winners gifting girl card. I don't know. I'm just gonna play a cardinal because why not? Alright, yeah, it's really not yellow. Ooh. Later today, I will be making a video about building a bird, like I said, hopefully. Well, probably. Alright, so I'm gonna go to... Alright, I can't enter. I'll go to the Skylands, because I like the Skylands. It's one of my favorite maps, in my opinion. If I'm pretty quiet, because I just woke up. TBH. Yeah, it's gonna take a while. Whoa. Sorry. We'll start trying to post every day now to be alright, guys. So you can have something to enjoy every day. I'm probably gonna post like one video and like 2 shorts a day if that's possible. Or possible if you don't like how I say possible just to be funny. Yes, the Skylands. Wait, can I eat these? Yes, I can. I love this game. I always play when I want to relax. Gotta make my nest. It'd be funny if I just became a YouTuber. Well, like, just see a cardinal with a camera being like, "What's up, guys? Welcome back to Cardinal Plays." That'd be hilarious. Make a bird. That's not realistic, but I'll make it. How much babies should I have? You know what? I'm just gonna pick a magical number between 1 and 3. So, wow. You know what? Eeny, meeny, miny, moe, catch a tiger by its tail, leave it horse, let it go, eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Alright, I'm having 3 babies. Guess I want to have an egg in the water. Yeah, bird. Alright, that's my 3rd baby. I'm gonna name him later. Server. I don't want a bird. Action. Oh, there. That's a nice sound right here. Alright, I'm gonna just leave him for a little bit. It's not the cold season anymore. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get a girl doing this. Yeah. Oh wow, I'm Usain Bolt today. comment below if I should play the skin. Well, no, actually don't. Comment below what bird I should be the next time I play this. Whoever, I'm gonna add this to the whoever gets my favorite bird. Whoever gets my favorite, 3 winners. One of you will be chosen to choose what bird I would be, and I will be that bird no matter what. I'm not gonna say it's my least favorite bird or something like that. Oh, me and Defesto played on this island right here. Or was it this up here? It was definitely like a warm spring island. Oh nope, never mind. It was this one. Yeah, it was this one. Yeah. Ooh, yeah. It was a good island. It was a good island. Yeah. All right. So I can't really do much in this game because it's just relaxing bird stuff. But yeah. So I'm just gonna fly down there, do a quick little outro, I guess, as a bird, and then just end it there. I need to go to. Oh, no, I need to go to my nest. Yes, teleport to my nest. Well, thank you for joining me today, guys, and I appreciate the time you've been giving to watch my videos, and make sure you like, subscribe, and get your guessing game in, because you know the rewards. A giveaway in Grow Garden, I will friend you to my private server, so like once you guess it, add your username so I can friend you. And if you have a display name, I'll obviously put that so I know which one. And good luck, and have a great rest of your day.